there, welcome to another Jira Gems. This time we're going to do a very simple thing and we're going to change the name of a permission scheme. In one of the previous videos we made a copy of an existing scheme and by default it just names it copy of whatever the original name was. So that's a bit of a dull name, isn't it? So I want to rename that scheme. So how do I do that? Here's my project. Go down on the left hand side again to the menu, down the bottom to project settings. Click on Project Settings and scroll down again to Permissions. So here we go, Permissions down on the menu on the left hand side, click on that and this will show us the permission scheme that we're already in, which is Copy of Veloce. So this is the one that I want to change the name of. I don't want it to be called this. I want to change the name so that it's particular to my project. So I go over to the top right hand corner here, the little cog that you can see, the settings cog up here, and again go down to issues, click on issues and scroll down all the way down to the bottom to permission schemes on the menu on the left hand side. Click on permission schemes there and here's a list of all the permission schemes. So here's the one we want. It's called Copy of Veloce. So this is the one that I want to change the name of. Now over in this column here is the projects. So this second column, this will show you all the projects that the permission scheme is being used in. So make sure before you go changing the name of a permission scheme that it's only going to affect your project and it's not going to affect other people's projects. So I can see Copy of Veloce, it's only used by one project, which is mine. So I'm not going to interfere with anybody else. So that's the important thing here. Never break other people's toys. So I can go ahead and edit that. So I just click on the edit button right here. And there you go. And it's just as simple as that. So I can call that Enterprise Permissions. Description as well. So NCC Enterprise Permissions custom scheme for Project Enterprise, and I update that and it should be that simple. Right, so let's go back to our project now and see if that has worked. So here's our project again, back down to the bottom here to project settings. Scroll down to permissions, click on permissions, and with any luck, yes, here we go, NCC Enterprise Permissions. So as you can see, it has now renamed our permission scheme to match our own project. So simple as that. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.